I know most of you have noticed that Facebook monetization review is now surpassing 2 weeks. You know, so people's page has been on review for like more than 3 weeks, 4 weeks, and even more than 1 month now, and it's still on review. All right, so that's the reason why I'm making this video, so that I will share more light on that and also provide a solution we can also use to request for our monetization. All right, so all you need to do is to make sure that you watch this video from beginning to the end. You're welcome to Grow Better, and this channel will teach people how to build, grow their social media platform, and also how to make money online. And if you're seeing me for the first time, I'm Asmili, and I would like you to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification button so that anytime I post an amazing video like this one you're watching at the moment, you'll be among the first people to see the video. So before now, when we request for Facebook monetization, it takes only 2 weeks, right? Sometimes it doesn't even take up to 2 weeks. Some people, even if you are lucky, within 5 days, 4 days, Facebook is going to approve you and you start earning instantly. But since Nigeria became eligible for monetization, a lot of people who sign up with Nigerian details are having this same challenge, which is that their page has been on review since then. Some people's page has been on review for more than 1 month now, and they have been wondering if there is something they did wrong that might be the cause of the issue. So why I'm making this video is that I've been getting so many comments from my subscribers saying that their pages has been on review for more than 1 month, more than 3 weeks, more than 2 weeks. What are they supposed to do, right? So I've been assuring them to be patient, to be patient, that the Facebook is going to review them and monetize them, but it's now taking longer, right? So, and I decided to make some researches to call my friends, who are into this, to ask them if they have people facing the same issues, and they confirmed it that they also have people who they requested for, right? And yet they are not still yet monetized, they are still in review, right? So we shared some ideas, try to figure things out to actually know what or will actually work, right? So this the first thing that came to my mind, like I feel like maybe when Nigeria got eligible, there are a lot of requests, so people submitted a lot of requests, and Facebook is taking their time, to review them one after the other, because you know that if they are reviewing anything in the United States for like 2 days, we in Africa is supposed to be like 2 weeks, because they believe that most of us here in Africa, we are, you understand what I'm trying to say, so they are always being careful whenever it comes to our thing, right? So that's why I feel like why is now surpassing that 2 weeks, because they are taking time to review our page, they are taking time to review to know if you are doing the right thing, or maybe the people that requested for the monetization is too much, so they cannot meet up. They are trying their best to make it work, right? So this is what actually came to my mind, so I feel like, man, maybe this is the reason why Facebook is doing this. So but another thing that actually baffled me is that a lot of people also complain that Facebook now disable their in-stream ad. They only leave ads on reel, right? So after getting this complaint, what came to my mind is this, right? Does it mean that Facebook don't actually want we in Africa to earn through in-stream ad? They just want us to earn through ads on reel only, right? So but I'm not really yet sure, I can't really just say what I'm not sure of, but mainly most of this issue we are having is on in-stream ad. I have two pages I helped to request for monetization, and two of them are still on review for more than 2 weeks now. But one of the pages now, they approved the add-on and the ads on rail. They invited for ads on rail, and the guy is now earning through ads on rail, but the in-stream ad is still on review for more than 2 weeks now. So all these things are the things that have come to my mind, and the research I made, I get to find out that most of these accounts that are facing these challenges are most of the accounts that they requested here in Nigeria with Nigerian details, right? Like I said earlier that my page was monetized in Nigeria. Yeah, that page actually I requested, like I told you guys then, I requested for the page when Nigeria is not yet eligible. My guy in Canada requested for the page then they monetized the page, but due to because of the content I was making on that page, I was spending money to make that content and I wasn't really earning enough. So I now decided to tell him to actually make me back an admin so that I'll turn the page to my music page. So then as he turned me back to admin, immediately Facebook demonetized the account. So when Nigeria now became eligible, within 48 hours, Facebook remonetized the account again. So most people that are complaining that they disabled their in-stream ad are mostly people who requested for the monetization here in Nigeria with Nigerian details. So that my in-stream ad is still active and earning because the details I use is Canadian details. All right. So what I'm trying to say is that after thinking and figuring things out, I get to understand that the best thing we should do at the moment is that when you reach the stage to be monetized, once the setup come out, I will advise you to also let's continue doing it the way we were doing it before by giving it to somebody in abroad, right, to help you use the details to monetize. Once the page is monetized, then the person now make you back admin here in Nigeria because Nigeria is eligible. Then you just be in Nigeria and be posting your thing, right? Because when I called my guy, he was like, some of the pages he requested there in Canada has been approved. Even during that time Nigeria was monetized, he was like, I say, I don't trust that stuff, that I don't really care, because then he has so many pages to monetize. Then, some of those pages he requested then was monetized, right? So because of this, I feel like this issue is because we are using Nigerian details, right? So we should try this out, right? I've not tried it, right? But if anybody, you can just try it. It's not really that bad. You can, if you get somebody abroad that can just help you to request, understand, the person will use his or her details and request for you. Then once you get monetized within 2 weeks, then the person make you back an admin. That's it. Then you start posting here in Nigeria, right? So that's the only thing I can say. And for the people who their pages are still on review for more than 1 month and still there, I will ensure you to exercise patience because there is nothing I can do about it. I'm not Facebook. I'm just trying a way to make things right. And for the people who have not really fall into the issue so that they can actually figure out a way to do their own right. So guys, this is where I'm going to be bringing this video to an end. I just decided to share this because I've gotten a lot of complaints concerning this, right? So thank you all for always watching my video, and if you have any solution concerning this which you feel like it works more better, you can tell us in the comment section, right? Or if there is anything you want to share, so that we can all learn from, you can just tell me in the comment section, right? And if you found this video very interesting, I would like you to hit the like button and drop a comment. Even if you don't know what to say, can actually say thank you Mazi for sharing this, and I'll be glad to respond to your comment. And don't forget to share this video so that other people get to watch and learn from it as well. And before I forget, if you are new in this channel, I will urge you to subscribe because in this channel we share amazing content every day and you can't afford to miss them, right? So thank you guys for watching and see you in my next video.